Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have some lemon white chocolate chip cookies. All right, to start off with, we have 1 cup of butter or 2 sticks that I just cut up into roughly about 1-inch size pieces or so. Again, just because of what we're going to have to do, I was like, yeah, I'm not going to do the entire stick. And then you just want to add 2 cups of white sugar. And then you want to turn on your mixer and mix the butter and sugar together for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, we've gotten the butter and sugar mixed together. Now it's time to add 2 eggs, one at a time. And when you add each egg, basically you want to beat it into the batter for about 30 seconds, a minute. And after we got our 2 eggs all mixed in there, this batter looks good already, you want to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And please do yourself a favor, get real vanilla extract. Don't get that imitation crap. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon zest. I just eyeballed it. I decided each lemon gave me about a tablespoon of zest, so at least in my version, the zest of 2 lemons. Then you want to add about a tablespoon and a half of fresh lemon juice. Again, cupping your hands for the seeds. If any seeds do fall through, you'll be able to see them pretty easy. I guesstimated that was basically the juice of 1/2 lemon squeezed to hell, and then a really good kind of one-time squeeze on the other half. Like I said, I just guesstimated. And these turned out delicious, so. Keep in mind, these were pretty big lemons, so if your lemons are a little smaller, maybe the juice of a lemon, lemon and a half, but something that resembles a tablespoon and a half of lemon juice. And once everything is in the bowl, time to attach the paddle mixer once again. Put this down, and then basically mix this for about another minute or 2. Nothing special. Okay, now come the dry ingredients, which go as follows. 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, and then the last thing you want to add is 3 cups of flour. And then basically what you want to do is put said paddle attachment back on, and then you just want to mix this until everything is mixed together. You may have to stop this and kind of scrape the sides down a few times before everything is mixed together. It'll take, I think mine took like 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. It's not going to be very long. Just go until everything is all mixed together and happy. Okay, now that we got our batter all mixed together and happy, 2 cups of white chocolate chips, or just do what I did, dump the whole goddamn bag of Toll House white chocolate chips. Then you want to grab a spatula, and then you just want to mix the chips throughout the batter. Yeah, unfortunately, this is the one part you have to do by hand. And then on a parchment-lined cookie sheet, you want to roll these into 1-inch balls and space them appropriately. Then you want to pop them into a preheated 350-degree oven for roughly 9 to 12 minutes, or until the cookies look done and the edges just have a bare hint of golden brown. Again, cookies are something you kind of got to pull out of the oven before they're done because of all the sugar in there. And again, baking times do vary, but the general rule for these cookies is roughly 9 to 12 minutes. All right, we'll see them after that. And through the magic of cooking show editing, the 9 to 12 minutes are up. The cookies are done. And these were absolutely delicious. They were really lemony, really refreshing. Would go great with ice cream. So that's lemon white chocolate chip cookies. Done.